po, nakita ko ng bayan na ang plenaryo po mismo ng Kongreso ang nag-refer sa House Justice Committee noong pong apat na impeachment complaints. Sabihin, hindi po yan House Speaker, hindi po yan Committee Rules. So doon pa lamang po, yung pinakabago at sinasabi nilang pinakamalakas na batayan, nakabatay sa kasinungalingan, nakabatay po sa panlilinlang sa Korte Suprema at sa ating pinako.
Sir, yung one-year bar rule, ni-invoke nito.
Yung pangalawang panlilinlang na naman po sa mga kababayan po natin. No? Kasi una sa lahat, yung pong one-year bar rule, umira lang po yun pagka meron na po referral mula sa plenaryo papunta po sa House Committee on Justice. Kung sinasabi po nila, dapat daw po, nung pong linaglag, yung pong Castro complaint at kung nag-withdraw daw po hindi complaint, pumatak na daw po yung one-year bar rule. Masahin po nila ulit yung pong jurisprudence ng pong Duterte ng Gutierrez. Ang one-year bar, hindi na lang po pagka meron na pong referral to the House Committee on Justice. And more importantly, nandun po sa Duterte Supreme Court decision and resolution, yung pong House Committee on Justice po talaga, kung meron pong kapangyarihan para magtakda, magtiyak, magbasura, at magpatuloy po ng mga maayos po na impeachment complaint. So, kung yun po yung teorya ho nila, wala ho talagang pwede maibasura ng mga impeachment complaints. Lahat po dapat tumawid. Hindi po ganoon ang nailatag sa konstitusyon, hindi po ganoon ang nailatag sa ating pong rules. Hindi po yung ganoon ang nailatag sa mismong mga jurisprudence po ng mga impeachment cases in the past, including the Duterte impeachment Supreme Court decision.
Sir, after the PRO, what will happen?
The April 14 hearing will proceed as it should. So the SALENS, the BIR documents, the income tax returns, the financial statements from the Securities and Exchange Commission will be submitted and will be presented on that day. More importantly, I don't think it has been broken already. More importantly, Ramil Madriaga has been ordered to appear by the court itself on the 14th from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
So, nag-grant na bali yung request ng committee to the RTC?
I think I had seen a document. Mr. Madriaga has been ordered by the court to appear on the 14th from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Sabi ni former Justice Carlos, what you're doing right now